So let's look at the past tense in a little more detail. It is a completed action that happened at a fixed point in the past. Completed action, so it's 100% over, that happened in the past, at a fixed point in the past. So we could say yesterday, last week, last year, last month, just now, just now, just now, last week, this morning. So I have finished. Look here, there's the infinitive finish, but because it's a verb in this case with ed, I have finished teaching. I have finished eating breakfast. I have finished talking to her. I finished talking to her. She has been to Scotland. She has been to Wales. But also, interesting side note here, look how the be verb have and has changes depending on the pronoun. I have, she has. I have finished at the gym. She has been to the gym. She has finished at the gym. I have been at the gym today. She has been at the gym today. I have finished at the gym today. Today. I have finished writing today. They were at Snowdonia last week. They were planning a party on Friday. Look again, the pronoun they and were. It's not they has, they have, it's they were. And it's not I were, she were, it's they were. They were at Scotland last year. They were travelling to Scotland last year. A bit of past continuous there. They were talking to the teacher just now. Yes. So it's a fixed point and is now over. It's now ended. That's the point. And that's what makes it in the past. An action started in the past. It's now over. And the whole thing is in the past. Last year, last month, last week, yesterday, and beyond. Very good. Let's keep going.